Welcome to our latest outdoor delight, the two-seater swing. Designed for kids who love to play together, with two comfy seats, one in bright red and the other in sunny yellow, this swing set promises double the enjoyment. Built with top-notch materials, our swings are designed for safety and durability, ensuring worry-free playtime. Each seat is securely connected with high-quality chains, guaranteeing a smooth and stable swinging experience. Join us as we explore the excitement of our two-seater swing in action. From laughter-filled afternoons to endless adventures, this swing set is sure to become a favorite outdoor destination for kids everywhere. Hit play and let the fun begin.